Lego airplane. And you need these two supports, these two supports, these two supports, a support block, this one support, a support block. And they just have any stuff and a reason, but let's get started. So first we need the red piece. And then we need these two pieces. Put them like...
Because that's the body of the airplane, right?
And then do that.
Okay.
Just like that. And then...
And then you're going to need the two yellow pieces go next, remember?
Okay. Oopsie daisies. Oops.
And don't forget, one of the yellow pieces goes back one. The other direction. There you go.
Then we need the two dark pieces. Ugh. So hard.
Okay.
Then you need the red block in the middle. And then you need this.
And what is that piece?
The support last block.
Is it a fin?
Yeah. That's it for my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye!